Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, December 30th, 2022. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to shoot a quick 10-day update video and show you my results I've had so far being with LiveGood. Alright, so this is my enroller tree right here. And it says the enroller tree genealogy view is to show you how much total volume you have in your enroller tree and to help you see who in your team is working to help you achieve rank advancements. I'm going to keep everybody's name down here covered up for privacy reasons. But you can see over here that I do have one silver member on the team already who is crushing it. And you can see here that I have 6 personal referrals. Alright, this is level 1, so these are the people that I brought in. But if I go down here to all and click change view, you're going to see I have a total of 27 people in my enroller tree. Alright. And some of them are bronze, and like I mentioned, one of them is a silver member already. So congrats to both of them. They're doing really well. I am also a bronze right here, and I'm 4 away from being a silver member myself. Alright, this is the matrix list view. And this is how this works here. I have 2 on my first level, 2 on my second level, 2 on my third level. These are all my personal referrals. And then I have 4 people on my 4th level, 8 on my 5th level, and 4 on my 6th level. Alright, so I already have people 6 levels deep. And remember, you get paid 2.5% on everyone in your matrix. Alright, so this is adding up fast. This company's on fire, and there's no better place to be right now if you are part of the network marketing world. Alright, so I'm just going to show you my earnings really quick. Again, I came in on December 21st is when I joined. On the 22nd, I got my first sign up, okay, and I earned $25 for this pay period, all right, and I was paid yesterday, and the money went right to my bank account, no issues. And this is how the $25 is broken down. I get a $5 membership referral bonus, all right, this is based off the $9.95 membership fee that people pay monthly. And then I got a $20 affiliate referral bonus. All right, this is paid off of the one-time $40 payment. So a total of $25. I'm already building monthly residuals, and there's people in the matrix. So folks, if you want to learn more about this awesome company, click the link down in the description box. It'll take you over to my website right here where you can watch the video to learn everything about this company. And then if it's something you think is for you, you can put in your first name, last name, and your email address and click reserve my position. You can also reach out to me anytime if you have any questions. Leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And another thing I'm doing for everyone who joins me is I am taking their affiliate link. I'm putting it into a team rotator that I have going, and I'm driving traffic to it every single day using several resources that I have, personal resources that I have, okay? So this is the shaker bottle. For those of you who have seen my last 2 videos, I keep talking about it. And I just had some super reds out of it. It's a really cool bottle though. The bottom unscrews so you can, put a little snack in there for the day or whatever. And then there's also this part that you can use. You don't have to, but you can put supplements in this or another snack. The white tray comes out. So it's just a cool product. And I have nothing but good things to say about this company. I'm absolutely, I love this company, all right? So much so, in fact, that I've committed to only promoting this company in 2023. I'm going to wear my LiveGood t-shirt, all right? I'm going to have to get more of these because every day I do a video, I'm going to be wearing this shirt and this LiveGood hat right here. That's how much I like this company. All right, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I always appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.